Okay, so you're looking at your results, and let's say that you want to hold on to specific results for later use. I don't want to have to run the search again in the future because if I do, I might get different results. So let's say we want to hold on to specific results. It's very easy. You have what are called carts. Every single one of your contacts, the moment you add in that contact, automatically gets a shopping cart. So you can put properties in there and then pull them up easily later on. So let me go ahead and select, let's say I've got a customer, they're going to be in town this weekend, and they want to see these 5 properties right here. Well, instead of me having to go in and write down the MLS numbers on a sticky note or something like that, I could just put them in the customer's cart. So select the ones you want. Down here, you'll see the option here for carts, and then you can go in and pick which customer you want to work with. So if I don't see them in this list right here, I can click on more, and this is going to have every single person. So we'll go ahead and use our John Doe here. Notice how the parentheses says 0. That's how many things are currently in the cart. Well, John Doe doesn't have anything in there, so I can select him. And then I can click on Add To, and then watch this is going to become a 5. Okay. Now I can view the cart from here, but let's say I'm putting them in there, it's Monday morning, and they're not going to get in town until Saturday. Well, I want to pull up just these 5 properties to make sure they're all still active before I get in my car and I go and show the properties. So you can get into the carts a couple different ways. One way is going to be if you look on your home page, you're going to see a little widget dedicated towards carts, and I can open up the cart right from here and look at the properties. Or if I go to my matrix and contacts and I open up that specific contact, here it is, John Doe, I can open up and see their cart right here and open up the properties, or if I click on their name, I can go in and open up their cart here. Regardless of whether you do it from the widget or the carts link or open cart, doesn't matter. It's going to take you right back to those specific results. Now remember, whenever you will pull up these listings in Matrix, they're always current. So I may have put them in there today and they were active, but when I pull them up on, let's say, Saturday, some of these might be pending, some of these might be sold, and it's going to reflect whatever the current status is of those specific properties here. If I want to take a property out of the cart, it's the reverse of that. All I have to do is open up the person's cart, however I get there, and if I select the properties that I don't want in there anymore, I can then go right back here to carts, and then I can remove them. Okay, so I can take those 2 out, and now I'm going to be left with 3. You can only take things out of the cart from within the cart.